In the beginning, I was wondering for 3 days, what all we are going to talk about. And it was a wonderful program. It really changed the way I look at myself, the way I look at the world, and also how to be successful, how to be a good leader, how to deal with people. I think all of these topics were covered, and of course, to never give up.
It was a very wonderful experience today, and nowadays, as the critical thinking is required, creativity is required. As a professional, you have to compete with the world.
The first time I've attended Mr. Gerald's program, and I should say, honestly, this is one of the best ever training programs I've attended in my life.
This program, eye-opener to know about me and also to know about my future. That is one of the very key learning I had out of this program.
Completely believing on our belief system, which actually not helping us to transform. So his more focus was on our belief system.
This program helps us to have a structured way of approach in their leadership career.
The Gads is nothing to describe. He's a fantastic personality. You can feel the energy when he is talking. The things he talks about, they are relevant to all of us. Even though we are all coming from different backgrounds, different age groups, probably different ideas of what it means to be a leader. But the things he spoke were very, very sort of attractive and very, very close to our heart, so we could all learn from it, and we all feel like we can be better individuals.
Mr. Gerald, I'm just inspired because changing one's mind is very important and it's difficult task also, but he has taken that as a professional. It's really amazing to see because change cannot be accepted by an individual even after putting service.
The techniques and the way he teaches is just very practical, is in a very easygoing fashion and easy to understand. A lot of practical techniques are given on how to implement them in our day-to-day lives.
He was talking about alpha frequency, theta frequency and delta frequency. For the first time I was listening that from one of the Indian coach. Then I thought this is the guy, let me get it. There are so many trainers. They are good also. I do not say that. I have attended so many good trainers. They are very good. I appreciate them. But he is powerful. That is what I wanted to say. One word for him is powerful. The kind of techniques, one single technique is going to transform the life completely. But one technique that will completely transform the life. I could easily see that this is getting transformed. I have practiced because I was fortunate to get that meditation. I practiced consistently for 30 days. And I know what has happened with me. And I'm so happy for that.
I have done a lot of programs on leadership training. All the programs were theoretical. Here I could see the personal touch. The way he teaches leadership is very simple to practice, and it goes as a personal touch to us, and we can easily practice.
It's really my greatest privilege that I underwent this open day program of 2 sessions in which I really enjoyed and came to know being successful in exploring and maximizing all that is within me, such as capabilities, potentials, endowments, and various different distinguished qualities that is already inside me.
This person is different in one way. He is totally powerful. He dismantles everything in your mind. The moment I came in the first day itself, one factor was that belief system. He's completely dismantled that belief system, and my approach towards life from first day itself started changing. And this, has given me a lot of curiosity that how I can move forward. That alpha state technique, one technique, the moment you will be getting into that alpha, instantly, your subconscious mind is going to deal with the situation. The moment the subconscious mind is going to take that decision, I think, multiple problems can be solved within no time. We think that making money is very tough. Become very, very successful is very tough. It's not like that. It tells that it is very easy. You should attract that. You should not go behind that. You should attract that. That is one sentence, that has given me a lot of impact.